After 40, most people don't lose their mobility because they got older. They lose it because they quietly stopped doing these 5 movements. And once they stop, the body begins to deteriorate at twice the normal rate. Do these 5 exercises every single day, and you'll stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for decades to come. The 5th one matters most, and it's the one almost everyone skips. Movement 1. Cat-cow spinal flow. Think of your spine as a sponge. Sitting still for hours squeezes it dry. The cat-cow movement is how you rehydrate it. Your spinal discs don't receive blood directly. They absorb nutrients through motion. Without it, they starve and stiffen. Waking up stiff every morning isn't just age. It's a movement debt your spine is collecting. How to do it? Get on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale and slowly arch your lower back, lifting your head and tailbone upward. Exhale and reverse it. Round your spine toward the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. Move slowly and deliberately for 60 seconds. Movement 2. 90-90 hip hold. Your hips are the center of everything. When you spend most of your day seated, the hip joint capsule gradually locks up, losing the internal and external rotation it was designed for. When that happens, your lower back and knees quietly pick up the slack, and that's where the pain starts. The 90-90 hold targets the joint capsule directly, not just the surrounding muscles. How to do it? Sit on the floor with both legs bent at 90 degrees. One knee in front of you, one out to the side. Keep your spine upright. If you're collapsing to one side, your hips are telling you something. Use your hands for balance. Hold 30 to 45 seconds per side. The deep pressure you feel in the hip socket is exactly what's supposed to happen. Movement 3. Deep squat hold. A full, deep squat is one of the oldest human resting positions and one of the strongest predictors of long-term functional health. It acts like compression therapy for your knees and ankles, restoring lost elasticity in the Achilles tendon. The more freely you can squat, the less strain you place on your lower back with every step you take throughout the day. How to do it? Lower yourself into your deepest squat with your feet flat on the floor. If you tip backward, hold a door frame or stable piece of furniture while you build the range. Your goal is 60 seconds. This isn't just an exercise, it's your body reclaiming a position it was always meant to rest in. Movement 4. Puppy pose chest opener. Every hour you spend hunched over a screen or phone reinforces a rounded posture. Over months and years, that curve becomes structural. The puppy pose is the antidote. It pulls your upper back open, decompresses your chest, and counteracts the postural damage that accumulates from daily screen time. You'll feel the difference in your breathing almost immediately. How to do it? Begin on all fours, then slowly walk your hands forward along the floor as your chest descends toward the ground. Keep your hips directly above your knees. This keeps the stretch in your upper back rather than your lower spine. Hold for 60 seconds and let gravity do the work for you. Movement 5. Horse stance hold. This is the one that separates mobile people from fragile ones. The horse stance is an ancient isometric hold that builds structural integrity in your hips, knees, and lower body. While the previous 4 movements open and restore your range of motion, this one locks that mobility in place with strength. Most people can't hold it for 60 seconds, and that's a serious warning sign. If your lower body stabilizers are dormant, every everyday movement puts your joints at risk. How to do it? Step your feet wide, toes pointed slightly outward. Bend your knees and lower your thighs until they're roughly parallel to the floor. Keep your back straight, no leaning forward. Hold for 60 seconds. Your legs will shake. That shaking is your nervous system rebuilding its stability from the ground up. Random exercises won't fix the problem. A consistent daily sequence will. Start with today. The horse stance alone is worth mastering. Watch the next video to build real lower body strength around it.